Hello everyone, and welcome back to Easy English Journey. I'm Sarah.
Hi, Sarah, and hi, everyone. I'm John. It is so great to be here with you all today.
It is wonderful to have you here, John. And to all our fantastic listeners, thank you for joining us. Today, we have a very helpful topic for everyone learning English.
That's right, Sarah. Today, we are going to talk about our daily routines. We will discuss the things we do from morning until night.
Exactly. Talking about your day is the best way to learn and practice everyday English vocabulary. Before we begin, if you like our lessons, please click the subscribe button, share this video with your friends, and give us a like.
Yes, please do. It helps our channel grow. And don't forget to leave a comment below. We love reading your messages.
Okay, John. Are you ready to talk about a typical day?
I am ready, Sarah. Let's start at the very beginning of the day. What time does your alarm ring in the morning?
My alarm rings at 6 a.m. I like to wake up early.
6 a.m. Wow, that is very early. My alarm rings at 7:30 a.m.
After I wake up, I don't get out of bed immediately. I usually check my phone for a few minutes.
Check my phone. Yes, many people check their phones in the morning to read messages or the news.
Then, I get up and do some exercise. I usually do yoga on my bedroom floor.
Do yoga. That is a great way to wake up your body. I prefer to go for a run outside.
Go for a run. That is very active, John. After my yoga, I go to the bathroom and take a shower.
After my run, I also take a warm shower. Then I dry my hair.
Dry my hair. Good phrase. After my shower, I go to the bedroom and get dressed. Then, I go to the kitchen to make breakfast.
The best meal of the day. What do you usually make for breakfast, Sarah?
I usually make a fruit smoothie. I blend milk, a banana, and some strawberries. I also eat a bowl of oatmeal.
A fruit smoothie and oatmeal. That sounds very healthy. I don't like sweet things in the morning. I usually cook eggs and drink a large glass of orange juice.
Cook eggs and drink orange juice. Very classic. After breakfast, I pack my bag and leave the apartment.
Pack my bag. You put your books or laptop inside your bag. How do you travel to your destination, Sarah?
I walk to the bus stop and catch the bus.
Catch the bus. That means you get on the bus to go somewhere. Do you read on the bus?
Yes, or I listen to a podcast. What about you, John? How do you travel?
I don't take the bus. I ride my bicycle. It takes me 20 minutes to ride my bike to work.
Ride my bicycle. That is great exercise and it is good for the environment.
Yes, it is. So, Sarah, what do you do during the day?
Well, I am a university student, so I go to campus. I attend lectures and take notes.
Attend lectures and take notes. A lecture is a class at a university.
Exactly. In the afternoon, I usually go to the library to study and do my homework. What do you do during the day, John?
I work in a large bookstore, so I stand a lot. I help customers find books and I organize the shelves.
Help customers and organize shelves. That sounds like a fun job if you love books.
I do love books. Around 1 p.m., I take a lunch break.
Take a lunch break. Where do you eat lunch?
I usually bring leftovers from home. Leftovers is the food from dinner the night before. I heat it up in the microwave.
Bring leftovers and heat it up. That saves a lot of money. I usually buy a sandwich at the university cafeteria.
After lunch, we both go back to what we were doing. I go back to work and you go back to studying. What happens when your day is finished, Sarah?
When I finish my classes, I usually go to the supermarket. I need to buy groceries.
Buy groceries, buying food and things for your house.
Yes, I buy vegetables, chicken and rice. Then, I take the bus back home. What do you do after work, John?
After work, I ride my bike to the gym. I like to lift weights and work out for an hour.
Work out. That means you exercise. You are very active, John.
I try to be. When I get home, I'm usually very hungry. So, I make dinner.
Make dinner. What do you cook?
I often bake some fish with potatoes, or if I am too tired, I order a pizza.
Order a pizza. That is a nice treat. I usually cook the groceries I bought. I chop the vegetables and fry the chicken.
Chop vegetables and fry chicken. You are a good cook. Sarah, after dinner, do you relax?
Not right away. First, I have to do chores. I do the laundry and take out the trash.
Do the laundry and take out the trash. Yes, we all have to clean our houses.
True. Finally, around 8 p.m., I sit on the couch and relax. Sometimes I call my parents on the phone to chat.
Call my parents. It is always good to talk to family. When I relax, I like to play video games with my friends online.
Play video games. That sounds fun. What do you do before you go to sleep?
I turn off the television and my computer. Then I read a book for 30 minutes. It helps my eyes relax.
Turn off the computer and read a book. That is a very good evening habit. I usually listen to soft music and write in my journal.
Write in my journal. You write about your day.
Yes, it helps me clear my mind. Then, of course, I go to the bathroom, brush my teeth, and get into bed.
Get into bed. What time do you fall asleep?
Because I wake up at 6 a.m., I try to fall asleep by 10 p.m. What about you?
I usually fall asleep around 11:30 p.m.
Well, John, we have talked about a very busy and full day. We went from waking up early to falling asleep at night.
Yes, we did. We used so many excellent verbs and phrases for everyday life. Let's do a quick review for our listeners.
Great idea. Listeners, try to repeat these phrases after me. Check my phone. Do yoga. Go for a run. Take a shower. Dry my hair. Make a smoothie. Cook eggs. Pack my bag. Catch the bus. Ride a bicycle. Attend lectures. Take notes. Help customers. Take a lunch break. Bring leftovers. Buy groceries. Work out. Order a pizza. Do the laundry. Take out the trash. Call my parents. Play video games. Write in my journal. Fall asleep. Practicing every day is the secret to learning English. Do not be afraid to make mistakes. Just keep trying. Have a wonderful day, everyone. Keep practicing. Keep smiling, and we will see you in the next lesson.